Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on the PMCLounge.com website as well as the YouTube channel youtube.com/PMCLounge. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon if you haven't done so already. Now, question for today comes in from Cora and it reads, is it true that it is possible to take PMI ACP exam 3 times? Now, I've answered this question in a way, but it sounded more specific to PMP since our main focus here is PMP, but then we cater to other project management certifications as well, PMI ACP being one of those. So the question is, it has come from Cora and it says that, is it true that it is possible to take PMI ACP exam 3 times? So why do you want to take it 3 times? It basically means that you're not able to clear the exam in the first attempt, right? It's the same with PMP. It's the same with every other PMI certifications. Actually, the answer to this question is the same for, and it is applicable for PMP as well as all other PMI related certifications. You can take the PMI ACP or any other PMI related certification exam thrice. Now, how do you do that? So let's say January 2018 is when your application, right? The application that you fill in for the exam, right? The certification exam. Let's say January 2018 is when your application is approved. From January 2018 till the next 12 months, which is December 2018, is the time period that you have to clear a certain exam, right? Let's say PMI ACP in this case. So January 2018, your application is approved. December 2018, the 1 year time frame is what you have to clear the PMI ACP, PMP or any other PMI related examination. Now, if you're not able, now let's say you take up the exam in January 2018 itself and you're not able to clear it, you have 2 more attempts. So in all, you basically have 3 attempts that you can take in this 1 year window, which is January 2018 to December 2018. So it is true that you can, it is true and it is possible that you can take the PMI ACP exam thrice if you fail in the first attempt, right? Not just PMI ACP, it's applicable for PMP and other PMI certifications as well, right? So January 2018, when your application is approved, up till December 2018, a total of 3 attempts is what you can take and try to clear your certification. Now let's say your last attempt was in December 2018 and you were still not able to clear the certification exam. Although over here at PMCLounge.com, we make sure you clear it in the first time, in the 7 weeks time period itself, right? A link to the PMP study plan will be available in the description. Download it, follow it. All the best, you'll clear the exam in 7 weeks. But again, we're talking about PMI ACP here. Now, let's say you're not able to clear the exam in the 3rd attempt as well, right? So you took the final attempt in December 2018 and you were still not able to clear it. So it is true that you can take up the exam thrice, but if you're not able to clear it in 3 times as well, then you need to wait for a year. You need to wait for 12 months. That means if you failed to clear the PMI ACP or any other PMI certification for that matter in the December 2018, the end of your 1 year, then the next year, which is the 2019, the entire year you need to wait. You cannot apply for certification exam again. So you need to wait 2019, the entire year you need to wait, and then come 2020 you can go ahead and apply and try to clear the certification that you're trying to. Right, so that's pretty much it that I had in this video. Hope it was helpful. Yes, it is true, it is possible you can take a PMI ACP or any other PMI exam for that matter 3 times, and I hope you clear it in the first time itself and you don't have to take it thrice, right? So that's all that I had in this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Is PMC Lounge on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. Check us out there. Check out the website PMCLounge.com, your #1 free resource for PMP certification and project management industry information, as well as other PMI related and project management related certification, just like PMI ACP. So that's all I had. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye-bye.